What's going on, guys? Okay, today I'm going to show you how to clean your seat belts. Okay, without taking a car into town with special tools or anything. If you have basic tools and maybe a pressure washer, with a little bit of soap, and you're good to go. So let me show you. On this vehicle, this is how the seat belt looks like. It's very gross. So, let's see today, like there's a dark spot, but yeah. Let's see today if we can clean this up. Use a little plastic stuff. Just get a grab on them. And that will just pop right off. There we go. And that's off. So just basic hardware. Like BMW loves to use these screws. Screws and bolts and like that. But yeah, that's BMW. So let's get our tools. Let's take out this seat belt over here and this little piece over here. Take it out of the car and I'll show you how to clean it. Just when you do something like this, do not lose the bolts, otherwise you're gonna have to sacrifice some safety issues. So yeah, let's put these away so they don't get lost. Okay, so I'm taking my bolts, putting them behind the seat in this little area, so I know they're safe and good to go. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the seat belt, just pull it out until you see a spot that's still very clean from the factory. So we're gonna pull this bit down and then we're gonna close the door. If I can get the door closed. There we go. So the seat belt's now stuck into the door, so it don't slide all the way back and lock. So this is the part we need to get to clean up. As you can see, it looks very dirty. And on the top over here, it's back to light again. So we're going to secure this strap with something on this end so it can stay like this when we wash it. So first we're going to spray it with soap so it soaks into the strap. Then we're going to use the pressure washer just to clean it out. On the driver's side, I just hooked it to this tree. So as you can see, on this side it's very dirty. There's this little dark spot. And as you can see, you can literally see where they stopped pulling it out from the years. It stops basically right there. It's all factory again. So you have to clean basically from this point onwards to all the way to the very end. So let me show you how. Step, we're going to use the pressure washer. You can literally see a line over there, and also where I stopped over there. So let's go. I mean, guys, look at that little piece over there. You can see the difference. Where I cleaned now, I still have to clean. Can I let these ones dry? We're gonna come back and see how they look like. But overall, they look brand new again. Almost brand new. But yeah, that's basically how clean you're gonna get them. So let's let them dry and see how they look. And that's how it looks like, guys. That's been hanging outside for about an hour now. And I can tell you that looks much better. As you can see, it's just a little mark right there. But yeah, that looks actually much better. Now the whole seat belt is shining again, like it's brand new. So, I hope you guys learned something today. And I hope you guys liked the video. So subscribe. And this is how the other one looks like. This one was very dirty. Look at that little spider. Just can see if it focus. There we go. So, that little guy. But yeah, that looks much better. Even this end came out good. Looks basically new. So like, subscribe. I'll see you guys definitely on the next one.